red. Oh look, it's a candle now. So basically—
What? No way. Jake, stop doing that. Stop using torches where you shouldn't use torches. There is better ways. ERC sent me some stuff, and it's called Freeze Off, and this stuff is actually pretty awesome. It cools down what you're working on and cracks the rust that way. So if you're working on brake lines, you don't want to wreck the seals in your calipers, stuff like that. This stuff works great. I'll show you. Take back to the yard here. We'll go find a real rusty bleed valve that would otherwise break off. So old Pinky here's been sitting for years. Brake caliper's been out and it's good and rusted. Let's show you how it works. So you shake the can up to mix the refrigerant in with the penetrant, and you give it a spray for about 10-20 seconds. If you feel it, it's cold to the touch. After, like this has been sitting in the sun and it's cold to the touch. Okay, let's put your wrench on, and what? No way. Nice and easy. If you want to save yourself a possible fire, working on brakes, stuff like that, give this stuff a try. It smells delicious too.